Welcome back to the Bayou.
Oh man, look at this, Marsha.
Looks deeper than the other side.
This is a turtle hole, if that was a turtle. Let's see. Let me find a good spot.
What about that vine?
Well, let me see.
Whoa.
No, it's
No?
right.
Oh, look at you.
Let's move up a little bit and see. Gotta find a place to tie him. As the current goes down, the turtles feed against that current because they smell, so to speak, the bait. So whatever's in there is gonna come over here. So let me find a place here to tie it. I'm gonna tie it right to this big nail, Marsha. It's that big nail somebody used evidently for.
Oh,
It was
look at that.
I guess a ladder. They climbed a tree.
Yeah, before the storm came.
Yeah, they used that to get in their deer stand. So.
Well, perfect. It's right there just for us.
Yep. All right, that's a good one.
Does it need to be further down?
That's good.
More?
If he's there, he's coming to it.
All right.
He'll smell it. All right, I think we're good.
Yep,
That's gonna be
that's a good one.
Good job.
Good job.
Yeah, Marsh, we'll walk through here and look and see. Sometimes you can see the turtle on the bottom. Sometimes. I've caught them before like that.
I'm looking.
Let's check right here and see if we get a place to sit. You'd be surprised.
What about on here?
Many years, that's a good spot. Many years of being in the woods, your eyes are trained to see things.
Yeah, like that snake. That was cool. All right. So do we need it all out?
Yeah, just throw this wherever you want to throw it out.
We'll throw it out that way.
And then tie it around something here.
On my stick?
Okay. You good?
All right.
March, you see this gristle here?
Uh-huh.
That's the hardest part that gives it. Go through that, it's not coming off of there.
Yep.
Then you get you another bite on it, and then let the last one you hook, leave it stuck in the. I normally try to go through a piece of meat and hit the gristle. See the gristle on the back side?
Mm-hmm.
Turn it over, hit the meat. That way it doesn't come all the way through, it sticks in there. All right, we'll throw that right there. This is the root. I'm gonna tie it to the root. This is number 18 line. That's the size of line it is, and it's a 6/0 hook on there, pretty strong hook.
When you say 6/0, what does that mean?
That's the size of the hook. How big it is.
6/0?
Yeah, they got ones you fish like.
Right, I know, but aught, what does aught mean?
That's the size of the hook. Ooh, I can't wait to cook us a turtle sauce piquante.
Turtle sauce piquante.
But I think I'm gonna go with a brown gravy instead of that red gravy you see a lot of people use. I don't care for that red gravy.
Yeah, I'd prefer brown gravy myself.
Let's see.
Red gravy is for spaghetti.
Oh, it's beautiful here.
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful.
My choice.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. They call that teamwork.
Yes.
All righty. Beautiful. He's got his 3 feet, 3 feet that he can travel with. And then that'll give also. All right, let's go down a little further. See if we got a place to put one. See a loggerhead, he lays on the bottom like a big log. And what he does, he opens his mouth up. And in his mouth, he's got a little tattletale. It's kind of like a snake's tongue. It just moves, trickles. And minnows or perch or small fish tend to want to go grab that little thing moving. And when they go to grab it, he grabs them. That's how he feeds. Now he does eat roots and other things too, but looks like a good spot here, Marsha. Deep water. They love getting under these logs and stumps and these tree areas. And the law says that you can't go there and disturb that. I was reading that the other day. The law. Wildlife fisheries don't want you fooling, disturbing. That's their bedding ground, so to speak, or whatever.
Okay.
They don't want you fooling all that kind of stuff. So, but it looks like a good one and good spot, and we're gonna hook one here. Hey, who's buying lunch today?
Me. The cameraman.
All right, that's a good one. Marsh, this looks like a good spot right here.
I know. We can hang
That
it
log down.
from that log right
Hang
there.
that log down.
Oh, I thought I saw a little snake crawling. Must have been a little minute.
Probably a minute.
Yeah.
Some of these deep holes, believe it or not, they got.
Watch.
I don't know what type of trout it is, but it's kind of like the rainbow trouts you got around different parts of the country. I've seen them in Colorado, but they're pretty and they're thick. Be a pretty little fish to catch and probably something good to eat.
Just make sure there's no turtle under there.
Well, if there is, you already run them off. So.
I was gonna pick it up with my hand. That turtle might break that tree.
He'll move it, but he ain't gonna break it. Marsh, remember years ago when I was younger, I got that hook in my foot, and we sat out on the walk, and Daddy had to cut it out with a razor blade.
Ooh.
I'll never forget that as long as I live.
Yeah, because Lord knows we didn't go to the doctor.
Yeah.
Y'all stitch your own selves up with your own needle and thread. That is no lie.
Marsha, look at here. Look at the mud on the side of this tree, sandy mud.
Yep.
Look at all the mud on the ground. That's a pig scratching his back. Not a very big one here. It's about as high as his back is there, so
Right.
he could be a little higher than that. But
And there's some on this tree too.
you see one over there too?
Yep.
Look right here. All over the ground here. Look at the mud on the ground there where he come here and just wobble all here and scratching his back. Got one more spot here. This is a nice pig here though.
If you keep walking, you might find the pig.
Look at here. Look how tall this here is. Look at all there, Marsha. Where he sat and rubbed his back, got all that mud all over the place. That's awesome.